Backtesting on TradingView allows users to evaluate the performance of trading strategies using historical data. Here's how to backtest on TradingView. Open the chart. Navigate to the chart of the financial instrument you want to backtest. Access the strategy tester. Click on the Indicators and Strategies button located at the top of the chart. Select Strategy Tester from the drop-down menu. Select Strategy. In the Strategy Tester window, choose the trading strategy you want to backtest from the list of available strategies or create a custom strategy using Pine script. Set parameters. Configure the parameters of the trading strategy, including time frames, indicators, entry or exit conditions, and risk management rules. Select time range. Choose the historical data range you want to backtest your strategy against. You can specify a custom date range or use predefined intervals. Start backtest. Once all parameters are set, click the Start Test button to begin the backtest. TradingView will simulate trading activity based on your strategy and historical data. Analyze results. After the backtest is complete, review the performance metrics, including profit or loss, win rate, drawdown, and other statistics. Analyze the results to assess the effectiveness of your trading strategy. Optimize strategy. Use the insights gained from the backtest to refine and optimize your trading strategy for better performance.